thunderstorm warning for northeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, central Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Belleville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie View, Belleville, Waller, Pine Island, and Bonneville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.